So, repairing a plastic carburettor float. If it's full of fuel, first thing to do is to drill a very small hole in the float where the fuel's trapped. You can see here, drilling with a very small drill to make the hole. Then turning the float over onto an absorbent rag for all the fuel to wick out through the rag. Another method is also, if there is any remaining fluid or fuel left in there, to get a piece of cotton and to stick it in to the fuel float with a needle and to leave it for a few minutes, and the cotton will wick the rest of the fuel out. The next step is to seal up the float again and seal up the hole that you've just made. I do this by heating up a screwdriver and just melting the plastic back over the hole that you've created. And finally, the float has obviously got a leak in the seam, so again, using a hot screwdriver just to seal up the seam all the way around. And there you have it.